Have you ever imagined owning a Tesla for under $20,000? Well, it's happening. Tesla has just dropped a bombshell with the much-awaited Model Q, and it's priced at an incredible $19,999. So why is Tesla willing to sell the Model Q at such a low price? What's the hidden strategy behind this price point? And does this signal something even bigger for the future of electric vehicles? In today's video, we'll uncover the secrets behind Tesla's Model Q, from its groundbreaking price tag to the target market it aims to attract. But before we dive into the details, make sure you hit that notification button and subscribe to our channel. We're committed to keeping you updated with all the latest Tesla news, so you don't miss a thing. At a price tag of $19,999, the Tesla Model Q marks a massive shift in the electric vehicle market. This price point is Tesla's bold move to break into the affordable EV market, a segment that has been traditionally underserved by premium electric brands like Tesla. The Model Q's compact size plays a pivotal role in reducing costs. With a length of around 157 inches, it's approximately 30 inches shorter than the Tesla Model 3. This smaller footprint translates directly into cost savings. It requires fewer materials and being lighter. Around 30% lighter than the Model 3 means less power is needed for the motors and battery, further driving down the cost by 10 to 15%. Tesla has also implemented its innovative unboxed manufacturing process, primarily at their Gigafactory in Texas. This method drastically reduces factory space requirements by about 40% and minimizes labor and overhead costs. Instead of building vehicles incrementally on a traditional assembly line, Tesla uses large high-pressure casting machines that create single-piece components like the front and rear underbody structures. This process, known as gigacasting, eliminates the need for numerous welded parts and simplifies design and manufacturing, resulting in weight and cost reductions. Coupled with high-volume production, Tesla can leverage economies of scale. Aiming for 500,000 units annually for certain models, this massive output reduces fixed costs, lowering the overall cost per vehicle. With production volumes doubling, costs can drop anywhere between 10 to 20%, a trend that Tesla is sure to capitalize on. Another key contributor to the Model Q's price is the use of a 53 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate LFP battery. LFP batteries are a game-changer in electric vehicles. Unlike the more expensive and supply chain sensitive materials like cobalt and nickel used in NCA and NMC batteries, LFP batteries use lithium iron phosphate, which is not only cheaper, but also more sustainable. This results in a reduction in raw material costs by 20 to 30%, translating into savings of $15 to $30 per kilowatt-hour compared to traditional batteries. For Tesla, this change leads to overall cost savings that make the Model Q more affordable without sacrificing performance. While the base price of the Model Q is set at $19,999, there are some additional costs that buyers will need to factor in. First, the price typically excludes taxes, registration, and additional fees that vary by location. In the US, for example, buyers will need to account for sales tax, which can range from 6% to 10%. This means that after taxes, the final price could increase by $1,200 to $2,000 or more. Additionally, other mandatory expenses like registration fees and delivery charges can add several $100s to the total cost. Optional upgrades are another factor that can increase the price. Tesla often offers premium interior materials, larger battery packs, advanced driver assistance systems like full self-driving or FSD, and exterior upgrades, such as special paint options. These optional add-ons could drive up the price significantly. FSD, for instance, could be priced around $15,000. Tesla's Model Q will also qualify for federal tax credits under the US government's Electric Vehicle Incentives Program. Depending on eligibility, buyers can receive a tax credit of up to $7,500, which can significantly reduce the effective purchase price. There are income limits for eligibility: $150,000 for single filers, $225,000 for heads of households, and $300,000 for joint filers. However, with Tesla's manufacturing facilities in the US and Mexico, the Model Q meets the final assembly requirement to qualify for these incentives. Despite its budget-friendly price, The Model Q is expected to come with some impressive features that make it an enticing option for buyers looking for an affordable electric car without compromising on technology. One standout feature is Tesla's autopilot system, specifically version 4, which will be available at launch. While version 5 is still in development and not expected to be included in the Model Q, Autopilot 4 will offer semi-autonomous driving capabilities like lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. These features enhance both safety and convenience, making cutting-edge Tesla technology more accessible to a broader audience. The Model Q will also feature a 53 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, providing a range of up to 500 kilometers on a single charge. This places it in direct competition with affordable EVs from brands like BYD and Volkswagen. For reference, the BYD Dolphin offers around 400 kilometers with a 44.9 kilowatt-hours battery, while the Volkswagen ID.3 offers a range between 350 kilometers and 550 kilometers, depending on the specific battery configuration. The car will also come with a large 15-inch touchscreen interface that consolidates control of various car functions, such as media, climate control, navigation, and vehicle settings. This user-friendly and intuitive interface will enhance the driving experience, making it easy for drivers to interact with the vehicle. In true Tesla fashion, the Model Q will be capable of over-the-air software updates. This means that Tesla can continuously improve the car with new features, performance optimizations, and bug fixes, ensuring that the Model Q remains cutting-edge long after its purchase. One of the most interesting features is the possibility of upgrading physical aspects of the Model Q through software. Tesla could offer premium upgrades to the audio system or interior materials, enabling owners to personalize their vehicles with enhanced sound quality or higher-grade materials without the need for complex hardware changes. The Model Q will be launched in phases starting in 2025, with Tesla initially targeting established markets such as North America and Europe. In the United States, Tesla is aiming to leverage its strong brand reputation and expansive supercharger network. With federal tax credits of up to $7,500, the effective cost of the Model Q for eligible buyers could drop as low as $12,499, making it an attractive alternative to competitors like the Chevrolet Bolt EV, which starts at $26,500. Canada is also expected to be an early recipient of the Model Q, with federal and provincial rebates making EVs more accessible to a broader audience. In Europe, Tesla will likely focus on countries such as Germany, Norway, and the Netherlands, markets that lead in EV adoption and offer strong government incentives. Tesla is also looking to expand into high-growth markets like China and India. In China, Tesla will benefit from cost-efficient manufacturing at its Shanghai Gigafactory and government subsidies for EVs. With a price point potentially as low as $19,200, the Model Q will be competitive against budget-friendly EVs like the BYD Dolphin, which is gaining traction in the Chinese market. India's market entry may face some challenges due to import tax negotiations, but the Model Q's price point is perfectly aligned with the country's growing demand for affordable EVs. Tesla may explore local production or assembly in India to reduce costs further and increase its competitiveness in this emerging market. The Tesla Model Q will compete head-to-head with several affordable electric vehicles currently available in the market, including the Chevrolet Bolt and BYD Dolphin. At its price point, the Model Q is designed to attract middle-income buyers who are looking for an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. With its impressive range, cutting-edge technology, and access to government incentives, the Model Q offers unbeatable value in the affordable EV space. Tesla's ability to combine cost efficiency with performance is a key factor that will help it stand out from competitors, making the Model Q a game-changer in the world of electric vehicles. Tesla is likely to offer various promotions and financing options to attract early buyers. These may include early bird discounts for pre-orders, free supercharging credits, and flexible financing plans to make the Model Q even more accessible. These offers, combined with the vehicle's low price point and cutting-edge features, could make the Model Q one of the most popular EVs on the market. So, what do you think about the Tesla Model Q? At just $19,999, it's a bold move that could shake up the electric vehicle market. With its innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and affordability, the Model Q is poised to attract a wide range of buyers and may even signal the future direction of the entire automotive industry. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on all things Tesla. Thanks for watching.